going to need butter, strong white flour, or you can also use bread flour, milk, sugar, oil, brown sugar, cinnamon, raisins, salt, eggs, and fast action dry yeast. I have warmed up my milk to lukewarm, and we're going to add sugar, fast action dry yeast in there, and about 2 tablespoons of flour. You can see our yeast is nice and activated. Into a bowl, add your melted butter, vanilla extract, add your eggs, add your milk and yeast, and your flour. Add your dough onto a floured surface. The dough will be really nice and soft, so just knead it for a little bit. Place your dough back into your bowl, and I've oiled it with some vegetable oil. Just roll it around and turn it around, and we're going to leave it to rise. To make your filling, add your brown sugar with cinnamon, add butter, so our dough has risen and doubled in size. Look at that beautiful dough. Add some flour onto your surface, and we're gonna roll out the dough. Spread your cinnamon sugar mixture all over your pastry, and you want to leave a little bit around the edges here because we're gonna roll it up. So then start rolling from the top and just up and down, and then roll it up. Cut into same size pieces and then place it onto your baking sheet. Now we're just gonna brush them with some egg wash on top. Use some apricot glaze